Assalamu alaikum, and a very, very beautiful, wonderful, amazing morning to all of you. I'm very, very happy because I'm enjoying all the lessons with you. I'm enjoying your company. I'm enjoying all my beautiful little friends. When they look at me, when they ask me so many things, when they're enjoying the videos and the lectures, I feel so happy that I am connected to you. So I'm very thankful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that I am doing such a nice thing and I am meeting all of you daily, and that gives me a lot of energy. Yes. And I am very happy because I am a free citizen. I have freedom in my country. Remember? Yes. So this is our social studies class, and we are learning about Pakistan, 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 Pakistan. Mera iman Pakistan, Pakistan, Pakistan. Right? So we love our country. We love Pakistan. So we are just going to quickly reinforce a lot of things which I'm going to share with you. Just want to have a look at a beautiful, beautiful flag. Pakistani flag. Now look at our flag. Now remember, I hope all of you remember that our flag has two colors. We even draw it in our arts class, and we did it in our social studies class as well. The Pakistani flag has two colors. One is green and the other is white. The white is for minorities, for less people, and the green is for the bigger group, the majority, and the crescent and the star that is for a growth and prosperity and hope and light and progress. Remember? All of you? That's great. That is super great. Then I did not show you the map of Pakistan. We did not yet discuss the map of Pakistan. So this is the map of Pakistan. Now you can see there are like many countries around Pakistan, which we will discuss later, right? So Pakistan has got the ocean, and then it's got mountains over here, and it's got river that comes down and they fall in the ocean, and there are deserts, there are mountains and trees and everything we have, like, right? So this is the map of Pakistan, a beautiful, beautiful country, right, which we have. So this was the map and the flag of Pakistan. Now I live in Pakistan, and we are, as I told you, that there are a couple of, there is a smaller group and there is a larger group. So we all have different festivals, right? And we observe them, like, and we celebrate all the festivals. Muslims have their own festivals, Christians have their own festivals, Hindus have their own festivals, even Parsis have their own festivals. Yes, so we are going to discuss that, right? Yes, so we are discussing that in Pakistan, many group of people celebrate different occasions. They have different festivals which they celebrate. Some of them are which we are celebrate all around our country, right? Everywhere that is being celebrated. And as we discussed in our science lecture, that spring is on its way, and there is a very big festival which is being celebrated all over in Pakistan. So I am going to just tell you about that festival, that which festival is that which is being, yes, now have a look at this. Now looking at the picture, what do you see? Yeah, there are a lot of kites, right? And when the spring comes, all over the Pakistan, many people celebrate Basant. That's a kite festival, which people celebrate with so many enthusiasm because the weather is good and it's so colorful. People cook and they make beautiful, amazing, delicious dishes. And the boys just go and they go up on the roof, kiting, and people make wonderful, colorful kites. And that's amazing, amazing, very colorful festival because there are colors everywhere, the flowers, the kites, people are wearing colorful dresses, and they're all happy because the temperature is not very less, the temperature is not very high, beautiful, amazing weather to wear anything and to eat anything. So there is something very good which everybody celebrates, and that is uh, mm, spring, right? So spring is the season which we celebrate. That is a spring is this festival. So that is the festival that everybody celebrates, even they are minority, I mean they are majority, they are Muslims, they're non-Muslims, they all celebrate. And then we will talk about there are like Aga Khani and Parsis. They even celebrate their New Year. And I am just going to show you that what is their New Year. I'm just going to show you. I had a picture. I'm going to show you the festival which they are. They have a New Year which they celebrate. So I am going to show you. Yes, I find it. Sorry, I could not find the right picture which I had to show you. That is, yes, that is the one. Yeah. So here is the picture. I'm going to share that with you. This is called, this is Parsi's New Year. This is Parsi's New Year, right? This is the picture. They celebrate their New Year, and that is called Nowruz, right? So Parsis and Al Khan, they celebrate their New Year here in Pakistan as well, and that is called Nowruz, yes. And then we have our Hindu brothers and sisters. They also celebrate their festival, and we are going to see that which festival is which they are going to celebrate, right? I'm going to show you that our Hindu friends, they celebrate their festivals, and that is called, this is one of the festivals in which they play with colors, and that it comes even in spring, right? They play with colors because it's springtime, there are colors everywhere, so they enjoy, they are playing with colors, so they call it Holi, right? They are Hindu, our Hindu brothers and sisters who live in Pakistan, they celebrate Holi, right? And even they celebrate another festival, you see, in which they have these candles and all that. They lit the candles, and that festival is called Diwali, because this is this. Can you see the candle and diya? That is the name they have taken it from. So they celebrate Diwali. So our Hindu brother and sisters, they celebrate Holi and they celebrate Diwali, right? And then comes our festival. We also celebrate many of the festivals, right? You know, we celebrate many festivals. So we are going to discuss a little more about the festivals which we celebrate, right? So I'm going to share with you that what do we celebrate? Okay, now you are going to tell, oh yeah, okay, later on. That we are going to do later on. I forgot about our Christian brothers and sisters. So I'm going to share that with you, that what do they celebrate, right? They celebrate Easter, right? Now, after a couple of days, couple of weeks, I think they are going to celebrate Easter, right? And that is the festival of eggs, right? And there was a festival which has just passed in December. Now I just want to show you that with, okay, I have to look for it. Just a minute, just give me a minute. Now all of you tell me, which is the festival which has just passed and our Christian brothers and sisters, they celebrate that. Which is that which has just passed? Now, I'm going to show you that. Do you know? You think of it. I'm going to show you which is that. Yay, look at this. Look at the picture. Now tell me, which is this festival which has just passed? You see, it's winter. What is that? Yes, it was Christmas. Yes. So our Christians, brothers and sisters, they celebrate Christmas in Pakistan. They even celebrate Easter in Pakistan, right? So the Christmas has just passed, right? Like it was in December, 25th of December. And our Christians, brothers and sisters, they celebrate Christmas, right? And then comes our festival, and I'm going to show you the festivals. Okay, and now our festivals. Now I'm going to show you. Yes, now who is going to tell me which festival is that? Now look at the picture, what the kids are doing. Yeah, they are playing with the animals. Okay. They're feeding the animals, they're patting their animals. And you see, they're not chicks and there are no pet cats. There are only goats and sheep. Yay. Now, what is this festival? Now, who is going to tell me? Look at this. Yeah, yeah. What do we do? This is Eidul Azha. Yes, we celebrate this festival on the Hajj, and we cut the animals and we distribute the meat in our relatives and in the people who cannot afford. They are poor. We celebrate this festival with all of our brothers and sisters, and we cut the goat and the cows and the camels, and we celebrate this festival, right? And then we have another festival, which is Eid Miladun Nabi, that is 12th of Rabiul Awwal. We celebrate kind of the birthday of our Prophet Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. We celebrate Eid Milad Nabi as well, and then we celebrate another festival as well, right? So, who is going to tell me which is that other festival which we celebrate? We celebrate Eid Milad Nabi, and okay, I'm going to stop sharing. We celebrate Eid Milad Nabi, and we celebrate Eid Eid al Azha, and we celebrate another festival as well. And I am going to share that with you, and you're going to have a look at that picture and tell me. Yeah, here it is. Yeah, now look at this picture. They're all people that gathered in Bachai Mosque and they went for Eid Namaz. And we celebrate this after the Ramadan month. Yes, this is Eidul Fitr. Yeah, this is Eidul Fitr. We celebrate it after the Ramadan. Yes, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given the gift that you have kept 30 rosas and you have fasted for 30 days. Now, this is the time when you should celebrate, you should be happy, you should meet up all your brothers and sisters, you should exchange gifts, and you should celebrate that time, right? So there are many kind of festivals with which we are celebrating. So I'm going to share a video as well on which I am going to show you that celebrations. Yes, here we are, and I'm going to play the video. Ramadan.
the last Sahari.
Yes, and I will sleep after namaz, inshallah.
Yay, Chandra.
I don't know if Chand was sighted.
The moon was sighted, Ammajan.
Chand Mubarak, Ammajan. Chand Mubarak.
Yay, Eid ul-Fitr. We celebrate Eid ul-Fitr.
Is Sheer Korma ready? Yes, Ammajan.
Wow, we eat sheer korma.
Eid Mubarak, Ammajan.
Eid Mubarak,
And
my
we say
kids.
Eid Mubarak.
Did you sight the Bakra Eid, Chand?
Yes, Eid would be after 10 days.
Wow.
I found the butcher back, Dad. Good, my son.
We cut the
You
goat.
must change, son. After that, you have to distribute the meat as well.
Yes, Ammajan.
Yes, we distribute meat. Yay! See, there are many festivals which people celebrate in Pakistan, and there some of them are for the minorities, our brothers and sisters. Some of the festival are celebrated by our Christian brothers and sisters and our Hindu brothers and sisters and our Parsi brothers and sisters as well. They celebrate many festivals, and we as majority even celebrate many festivals. But we should look after about every single thing, everybody, and we should celebrate our festivals with everybody and share the gifts and share the feasts with them, so they will also be very happy, right? Okay, so that is wonderful. I really enjoyed looking the festivals, the many people who celebrate. So if you have any Hindu friend or any Christian friend or Parsi friend, you can even ask them how do they even celebrate their festivals, what do they do, what is special about their festivals, right? So this was amazing. I really enjoyed that. But don't forget to subscribe our channel, click the subscription button, give it a thumbs up, and please share it with your friends. Okay, I'll see you in the next class. Till then, stay safe, be happy, and bye bye. I will see you soon.